Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Hope everyone is good. Myself Tulu Bhaiji. Students, today we are going to start a new topic that is from Unit 6, topic number 1, alphabet song. Now what is this alphabet, student? Yes, A to Z, A, B, C, this is all called alphabet. Listen, repeat and read and sing. Now you have to listen carefully, then you have to repeat what it is written, then you have to read and then sing. Now we will read here what is this all about. A ate an apple, B bounced a ball, C cut a carrot and D dressed a doll. Now you can see what A is doing here. A is eating an apple, ate an apple. उन्होंने apple खा चुके हैं. So A for apple. Now B bounce a ball. B क्या कर रहे हैं? He is bouncing a ball. Ball को bounce कर रहे हैं. तो B for apple, B for ball. The next is C. Now what C is doing? C cut a carrot. As you can see in a picture, what C is doing? Cutting a carrot. Carrot को cut कर रहे हैं, right? तो C for carrot. Then D dress a doll. As you can see, D क्या कर रहे हैं? Dress up कर रहे हैं doll को. As you can see, the doll is here. So D for doll. The next is E eats egg and S fall flat. G grow grapes and H hangs a hat. Now what E is doing here? Now E is eating here eggs. As you can see here, it is a egg here. So E eats egg. वो eggs खा रहे हैं. Okay. Then F fall flats. Now F fall flat means F सो गए. Okay. F falls flat. ऐसे सीधा सो जाते हैं ना, उसको बोलते हैं flat. So F for flat. G grow grapes. As you can see, what G is doing? G is growing the grapes. उन्होंने grapes grow किए, तो G for grapes. H hangs an hat. As you can see, there is a hang here. वो hat को क्या कर रहे हैं? Hang कर रहे हैं, तो H for hat. The next is I is on island. J jumps and jog. K keeps kitten and L lifts a log. Now what I is there? I is on island. Okay, island means जो एक small सा place रहता है, right है, sea के तरफ ऐसा बोलते थे ना हम लोग, small सा island, तो that is called island. I किधर है? Island. I for island. Then J jumps a jog. J क्या कर रहे हैं? Jogging जैसा करते हैं ना, वैसा वो jump कर रहे हैं jogging करते करते, तो J for jog. K keeps kitten. Now where is this kitten here? Kitten means cat के small babies. So K for kittens. L lift logs. Logs आपको मालूम है ना, wooden के logs रहते हैं big. Okay, तो that is called log. तो L for log. So moving to the next page. M makes a mistake and needs a nurse. O obeys order and P patches a purse. Now what the M is doing here? M is making a mistake. आप देख रहे होंगे ना from the picture. M क्या कर रहे हैं? देखो write कर रहे हैं, there is a book. तो वो mistake कर रहे हैं, देखो उनको wrong भी मिला है book में, तो M makes a mistake. Now N needs a nurse. N को क्या चाहिए? सब जगह लग गया है. As you can see, देखो N अल्फ़ाबेट्स को सब जगह लगा है ना, तो उनको सब ठीक करने के लिए nurse चाहिए, तो N for nursed. Okay. O obey orders. Now what O obey? Obey means हर चीज़ वो फॉलो करते हैं, जो जैसा बोलते हैं वैसा बराबर सुनते हैं, तो that is called obey. तो O obey orders. O for obey. Then P patches a purse. अभी P का पर्स है ना, फट गया है. ओके, सो पैचेस मीन्स जो फट जाता है और उसके ऊपर हम अनदर क्लॉथ लगा के उसको स्टिच करते हैं, that is called पैच. तो P for purse. The next is Q queen up quickly, R rolled and rose, S spoke slowly and T touches his toes. Now what is this Q is doing here? As you can see, queen up quickly, वो एकदम fast अपना कर रहे हैं. Then R rolled and rose, वो rolled हो रहे हैं मतलब घूम रहे हैं ना ऐसे रोज़ की तरह, so R for rose है. ओके. S spoke slowly. S क्या कर रहे हैं? बहुत ही slowly बात कर रहे हैं. ओके. Then T touches his toes. As you can see, toes is here, तो what क्या कर रहे हैं? वो touch कर रहे हैं, तो T for toes. The next is U uses an umbrella. V has a violet van. W washes window whenever he can. As you can see U. Now U for umbrella. तो U क्या कर रहे हैं? Uses umbrella. Umbrella वो use कर रहे हैं. Then V has a violet van. Now violet क्या है? Van है, right? Violet color में है. So V for violet भी होता है. V for van. तो V has a violet van. Then W washes window. W क्या कर रहे हैं? वॉश कर रहे हैं विंडो whenever he can. जब भी उनको टाइम मिल जाता है वैसा वो वॉश करते हैं. तो W for window. The next is okay. X hides in boxes. Y says yummy and you. Z says zigzag. Hooray, we are through. Now what the X is doing here? X hides in boxes. X क्या कर रहे हैं? Hide कर रहे हैं box में. Okay. And Y says yummy and you. Y says क्या बोल रहे हैं? Yummy. देखो आप उनके हाथ में दिख रही है ना, एक प्लेट दिख रही है, तो उसमें कुछ उनको अच्छी चीज़ लगी है, खाने की चीज़ है, तो वो उन्हें चीज़ वो अच्छी लग रही है, तो बोल रहे हैं yummy and you. So Y for yummy and you. Z says zigzag zoom. What does Z is doing here? You can see zigzag zoom. हम बोलते हैं ना, हम zigzag zoom हो जाएंगे, हम जल्दी जल्दी फास्ट जाके आएंगे, तो that is called zigzag zoom. Hooray, we are through. So students, we will read the poem once again. A ate an apple, B bounced and ball, C cut a carrot and D dressed a doll. E eat eggs and F fall flats, G grow grapes and H hangs a hat. I is on island, J and jogs, K keeps a kitten and L lives log. M makes a mistake and needs a nurse. O obey orders and P patches a purse. Q went up quickly, R rolled and rose. S spoke slowly and T touches his toes. U uses an umbrella, V has a wallet van, W washes window whenever he can. X hides in boxes, Y says yummy and you, Z says zigzag zoom. Hooray, we are through. So students, hope you have enjoyed this song from A to Z. So now we will move to the next page. So say the letters from A to Z and fill the missing letters. Now this you have done it earlier. Okay, now A to Z, you must be knowing properly what is the A to Z. Okay, so you have to fill the missing letters. Now here the A dash 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 E. Now after A what will come? B, then C, then D, then E. Now after O what will come here? Yes, P, then Q, then after F what it will come here? G, yes, H, I, J. So this is the missing letters. So what will be the third one here? Listen and tell the next number. Now this is also very easy. You have to see what is the first alphabet. Okay, first letter. Then you have to write the next letter. After M what it will come? Yes, N. Then after J what it will come? K. Very good. After N, O. And after V, W. Okay. The fourth is listen and tell the letters before. Now you have to tell the letters before. What comes before? Okay. So BK before what will be there? Yes, A. Okay. Then after M say before, yes. What it will be there? L. Yes. Before S, yes, it will be R. And before Z, which letter will become here? Y. Okay. So we'll move to the now sixth one. Make up the meaning phrases sentence by using the word which begins with the same sound. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to do we have to write the meaningful sentences by using the words which begins with the same sound. सेम साउंड से जो भी चीज़ हम करेंगे ना, जैसे अभी आप फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी द फर्स्ट वन इज़ गिवन हियर बिग, अ बिग ब्लू बॉल फॉर बेबी. So similar sound is coming. Big, again big आ चुके, then blue, again B for blue. Okay, ball, baby, ये सब starting के जो आप begins हो रहे हैं ना, तो same sound आ रहे हैं ना, so वे आपको भी वैसे ही sentence बनाना है. Now green. Now what will write here? Yes, green grass eaten by a goat. Now green grass. Now green grass eaten by a goat means green grass गोट ने खा लिए, तो ग्रीन भी आए, ग्रास भी आ गए. ओके, ईटन बाय अ गोट. द नेक्स्ट इज कोल्ड. नाउ कोल्ड व्हाट इट विल बी कोल्ड, हमें तो सेम ज़्यादातर वर्ड्स यूज़ करना है, सो वी कैन राइट हियर कॉमन कोल्ड. द नेक्स्ट इज डॉग. So what will your dogs are dancing on a dam. Now dogs, D for dogs are dancing. D आ गया on a dam. तो डी भी डैम हो गया, तो डॉग्स आर डांसिंग ऑन अ डैम. क्योंकि हमें स्टार्टिंग का वर्ड्स जो सिमिलर रहता है, हमें वो आप करके फ्रेजेस बनाना है. 8. Emma eats 8 egg. Now again Emma is a E. Eat means E. Then at 8 means EIGHT 8. Again E. Then eggs, E double GS, eggs. Okay student, तो Emma eats eggs, 8 eggs. The 7th is write the word starting with the letters given in the circle. So students, what the word is given here? A. So what it will come? A for apple. Okay, the another word is A for ant. Yes, and A for animals. We can write that also, na? And A for act, any other word. A for action, A for aeroplane. You can write anything. Okay, so what is the second word is given here? G. So which word will be from G? Yes, green, GREEN, green. Then game, GAME, game. Then get, GET, get. Go, gun. Okay, gorilla, anything you can write which will start from G. Frame meaningful words using the letter given below. Okay, the letters are given here. Okay, so we have to write the meaningful words using these letters. ये आपको letters दिए गए हैं, आपको इसमें से words बनाने हैं. Okay, ये letters में से चुन के words बनाने के, कुछ भी बन सकता है क्या, जैसा you can write CAT cat. Why? देखो C है, A है, T है, right? तो CAT cat. Then क्या बना सकते हैं another word? Yes, BIG big. तो BIG big. Okay, then OLD old. OLD old. Okay, MODE mode. MODE mode. Then GO go. GO go. Then another word, yes, BAT bat, as you can write here, bat also. Okay, then another MAT mat. See how many words we are getting now from this letter given. Then the next is, we can make more students. Yes, D. Okay, then AM dam. So DAM dam. Then the next will be RAT rat. See, RAT rat. So RAT rat. Then yes, we can make another word, LATE late. So you can write here LATE late. Late means देरी होना. Then GATE, yes, gate. So we can write here GATE gate. And next is CAR car. You can write sir. Many words can be made. Okay, students. So students, hope you understand this alphabet song and alphabets written work. So till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.